This is lesson 19. In lesson 19, we're going to be drawing pyramids in a three-dimensional way. And we're going to be drawing a pyramid by using the following drawing concepts: overlapping, horizon lines, shading, and shadows. We're going to practice smooth single value shading. And because of the pyramid, we are going to shade a little differently with straight lines because there's no curved lines. So the first step is to draw a vertical straight line. And then I want you to slant the sides of the pyramid down, keeping the angle of the slanted lines identical and the middle line a little longer. So you want to try to have the angle about the same. So, and you also want this line, the middle line, to be longer. Okay, so notice how it's a little bit longer here than here. Okay, then we're going to be thinking about our drawing reference cube right here. So if you want to quickly sketch this out and make sure you have your northwest, your southeast, southwest, and northeast lines, we're going to use that for reference. Then we're going to anchor the pyramid to the sand by drawing a horizon line. So I'm going to draw a line in the back here. That's my horizon line. And here is my light source. Okay, so my light source is shining down. Now we're going to draw our guidelines in the direction of the cast shadow. So we're going to draw the bottom of the pyramid with a northwest line. So northwest line. And if you need to bring it down a little bit to fit, you can. Then we're going to be drawing a northeast line. And now we have our pyramid. Now that we have our cast shadow, we're going to be drawing the cast shadow in the direction of southwest. So that's going to be going in this direction because southwest, if you look here, is like there. Okay. And then now we're going to add a smooth one tone. So smooth one tone means that we're not going to be adding the dark and light value. We're just going to be drawing a smooth single value line. So shading it in smooth, so it's all one. It's not darker anywhere. And then now you can stop here and you guys are done with the pyramid. However, we are going to go on a little bit and draw another one. So that was super easy. What we're going to do now is we're going to go down our page a little bit and we're going to draw another pyramid, but we're going to add some edges. We're going to add some doors. But think about what you guys can do. You can add texture here. You could add stone blocks. You could add crumbling edges and piles of stone. It could be an ancient site. You could add doors, and that's what we're going to be doing now. So we're going to go ahead and draw another. We're going to go ahead and draw another pyramid. So this is pyramid 1. Now let's go ahead and draw another one. So again, you're going to be drawing a vertical line. Then you're going to be drawing 2 angled lines that are about the same, and this line needs to come down, so make sure it comes farther down. You're going to be adding a northwest line and a northeast line, and then instead of shading, what we're going to do is we're going to add some doors. This could be a teepee, this could be pyramid, it could be lots of different things. Then we're going to draw the thickness on the right side door. So to draw the thickness, I'm going to start at the top. Whoops, I'm going to come down a little bit more. And it's going to stop right there. That's how thick it's going to be. And then I'm going to draw a northwest line coming up this way. So see how it's angled like that? I'm going to draw a northeast line on the other one, and then I'm going to bring it down. Okay. And then now what you guys can do is, now that you have that, you can erase these lines right here. And then now you're gonna shade with a light source. So if I put the surface line up here, here's my light source up here, shining down. I'm gonna draw my cast shadows. And remember, we're going to complete the shading on the opposite side of the light source. And remember, it's a flat surface. So because it's a flat surface, it doesn't require blending. It's one single tone. So one single shade, one single tone. So you're going to want to be as like smooth here as possible. Could use your finger to blend in your pencil to have it all one single tone because it's flat. Okay. And when it's not flat, shadow, it does get darker and lighter as you go. So add a little of that. And then we're going to, on the inside of the curved door, we are going to blend the shading because it's curved. So on the inside, we're gonna have it start out pretty dark, and then we're gonna have it get lighter as it reaches the surface. So this is where you would blend in. Be darker up at the top, and then blend. So see the difference there? And then you do the same thing on the other side. So whenever it's a curved line, you guys are just going to want to remember that you will be shading and showing the value from dark to light. But with straight edges like a pyramid, you do not need to do that. It would just be straight and smooth. So this is a curved line, so I am doing that. And then my cast shadow, there's also a cast shadow here. And that kind of stays like that. You can blend that a little bit because it's a shadow. We're also gonna have shading here, darker here, and coming down. And that is the pyramid. This is bonus challenge 19. So depending on how much time you have, you can draw a wonderful scene of multiple pyramids. Notice how in this picture there is a pyramid in the front, and the dark nook and crannies back here separate the objects. There is the horizon line, and the pyramids are dropping behind the distance. So look at how size is just not a factor here. So we've got the bigger, they have bigger ones here, but remember this one is coming closer because the things that are far away are drawn farther away. But in this drawing, the enormous pyramid is behind. But the reason that it looks farther away is because of the overlapping in the smaller pyramids. So enjoy, have some fun. This is what I would like you to do, the bonus challenge, by drawing a bunch of multiple pyramids and some far away in the distance. Here are some student examples, and you can see there's different ways to be creative. Have some fun. Enjoy and have fun. I cannot wait to see your creations.